वेलकम टू तमाशा किड्स। चलो शुरू करें मस्ती और लर्निंग का सफर।
Tamasha Kids! Hello friends, my name is Ivaan and today you are watching me on Tamasha Kids. Today we are making a ninja star, so let's go. So first we cut the paper in a square and then you flatten the part. Now we open it and it's square. Then we fold this part to this part, tip, flatten it up. Then you fold this part to this part. We fold this corner to this corner in the right, below corner to this corner, and then turn it over, and then this like to this, and like this step to this step, and then we have to repeat everything with this pink sheet. Keep this part aside, take this part, fold it over. And then this time we do not have to fold this thing like this. We fix this inside this and then we fix this part like this. And then our ninja star is ready. That's how the ninja star looks now. You can fling it like this. If you like this video, like, subscribe the channel and do tell me in the comments below which video you want to watch.